Hi everyone. Today I'm gonna make my Loom video for the final project in programming in Python. So my project name is IntelScraper. Whole title is Custom Web Scraper using data visualizations, insights from the web. I'm gonna explain today my project architecture, purpose, and value, and the technologies used. What are the technologies that I have used for this project? So I will explain everything in detail step by steps. Let's dive into the introduction of the project. This project is all about the scraping data, extracting data from the web, and cleaning the data, processing the data using pandas, and it will be stored in the MySQL database. I'm storing data into MySQL database so that it will be used for further data analysis. So it's it is pretty clear. You can see in the screen. So for this project, I have used for the web scraping part, I have used BeautifulSoup, Selenium, and Request. And for the data cleaning and pre-processing, so I have used pandas technology. And for the visualizations, I have used matplotlib, seaborn, and plotly. To make the whole dashboard of the project, at the end, I have used Streamlit app. It's very easy to handle, and it's quite fantastic app for the data dashboard creation. So for the storage, I have used the MySQL and the CSV. MySQL for the data storing and fetching the data, all those scrap data, and CSV for like once you scrap the data and you can see in the UI, so you can download those data in the CSV format from the UI as well. You don't have to go to the MySQL database to get those data. You can just click the download CSV and you can download those CSV as well. So this is how my project works, and I'll tell you how to run my project step by step. You can clone my repository by using the command I provided in the README file. So you can follow the steps. You can, if you follow the steps accurately, you will run the project easily. So once you clone the project, just go to the directory, and I have used the virtual environment to prevent my global Python environment from clotting all those dependencies used in this project. So I have created the virtual environment. So once you create the virtual environment, just activate the virtual environment using the following command. So once you activate the virtual environment, you can install the dependencies, all those listed in the requirement.txt. You can install those dependencies manually as well by providing the following command. It's optional, or you can just use the requirement.txt file to install all those files. Once you install the dependencies, you can run my project. There's a scraper app, which is main.py is the starting point for scraping, so that you can run the project using the command like python main.py. Make sure you are in the source directory. This is mandatory. If you are in the other directory, this will not find this file. So if you are in the source directory in the project, then you can run this project easily. So once you run this main.py, the whole data will be scraped and it will be processed and stored in the MySQL database. After that, you have to run the Streamlit app. For that, you just have to follow the command provided in the README. So let's dive into the project a little bit about the coding section. So here's my directory. In the source file, there are certain files: config.py for the configuration, dashboard.py for the Streamlit app, database.py for the all those database creation, table creation, and inserting all those data into the database. So main.py is for scraping the data. Likewise, you can see here. So you can see in the code I provided in the GitHub. So this is the scraper.py. This will scrap the data in real. So is here the readme file. I already showed you in the GitHub directory. So here's the requirement.txt. Okay, let's dive into the project project. So I will run the scraper app. I'm in the IntelScraper directory, so I'll go to the source directory. Then I have to activate the virtual environment. After that, I just need to run the scrapping app as I showed you in the picture before. So I'll just hit python manage.py and start scraping the data. Now it will scrap automatically. You can see scraping page 1, page 2. Likewise, it will scrap the data and store in the database easily. So once it will be done, the data will be stored. So in the meantime, let's go to the other app, which is the Streamlit app. Similarly, you have to be in the source directory and you have to activate the virtual environment. After that, you just have to run the Streamlit app. Okay. So for that, you have to put the different command, not the Python. Yeah, here the Streamlit run dashboard.py. This will run the Streamlit app. So it's running in the web. So yeah, you can see here. This is my Streamlit app that I just built from this data. On the other hand, it is scraping data. It will scrap. So it is scraping. So it doesn't matter where it goes. So also the scrapper app, how it works. Here are the tables for the. You can see there are animal, meat, fishes, dairies, animal originated trees, different tables over there, and there is filters available about the year, all year, or the countries, or by the flow types. You can see you can export the data as well from here. If you click this, and it will be available for the download. So it's super easy. It's super easy, and I have integrated a data science app. I'm using Streamlit app, so it's already a data science features in my project. So I have used those things which are the data science things. So now you can download the CSV. Here you go. You can see animal data has been downloaded. You can see here. I can show you that file in the download section as well. You can see here it's animal data.csv, and I'm just opening that CSV file just to show you like how the data has been presented. So it's opening. Here you go. You can see here. You can see the data. Look at this. It's all the CSV data, animal data. So okay, it's showing that. So let's dive into the project. So here's the things that I have presented. So here's the filter thing as well. All those data and the summary of the table as well. We do have the summary of the table, and we have various visualizations here. So we have trade overview, geographical time series, commodity analysis, correlation, and all the things that I have presented. So I can change like the geography. Look at this, how it works. I have extract little pages just to save time. So once I scrap all the data in the website, the whole country will be reflected based on the color and trade amount. Yeah, you can see that. And here's the time series as well. If I say in the table like animal originated, this will be different. So you can see here. So once I change the animal originated, the data will be changed. This is now it's a different data. So look at this. The graph is different, completely different than the previous one. And now you can go the geography as well. And you can go the time series as well. You can see here. Even you can change the trade to weight to quantity as well. So you have multiple options to see the and here's the commodity and here's the correlation. You can commodity analysis change 5 to 20 parameters as well. Here's the correlation between all those features. So this is how my projects work. Uh, this is completely all about the Python project with the integration of the data science feature. Is especially like I have integrated the Streamlit app for the dashboard creation. It's not like manual coding for the dashboard. So we can deploy this on the server as well. So this is how my project work. I think the scrapping is finished now. Yeah, you can see here the scrapping is finished and all those scrap data processed and stored into the MySQL database. So now whatever we getting the data in this way, this is all those MySQL store data. Uh, Thank you very much. This is how my project work. I appreciate that you guys hear my voice about my project, how my project works. If you like that, you can clone the project and run the project in your local machine to see how whatever I have discussed. Thank you very much.